Yeah, come on. Come on. Come on. Hey, my friends. Hey, blends. It's your girl, Letitia Lynn. You know what time it is. We'll be coming with you with another hair review today. If you want to see how I achieve this look, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned. Hey guys, so it's that time again. I'm going to be reviewing another synthetic wig for you guys, and I'm excited about this one. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can stay tuned for all the reviews that we're going to have that's in store. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Sensational Butta Lace Butta Unit 16. I got her in the color 1B. She is a ear-to-ear lace, but she has a middle part. She is safe up to 350 to 400 if you're going to use heat. So yes, this is what she looks like. Okay, like I said, I got her in the color 1B. So let's open this baby. I got her off Amazon. I will leave the link in the description box so that you all can purchase her if you'd like. She comes with the card. She comes in 6 other colors. She comes in 613, Flamboyage Auburn, Flamboyage Blonde, Flamboyage Chocolate, Flamboyage Mocha, Flamboyage Sand. So those are all the different colors that she comes in. Yeah, let's see what she can like. I can already see that she's got some baby hairs in there. Let me cut this tag out after the inches, it doesn't tell me how many inches she is. So I'm not sure how long she is, but once I get her on, you all will be able to see. Okay. Ooh, she is pretty long though. Look at that. Okay. Take this out. Got some baby hairs already on there. Sorry if it's loud out there for y'all. So sorry about that. She does come with a comb in the back, 2 combs at the top, 1, 2, 3, an adjustable band. Also, like I said, it comes with the middle part. Let me stand up so y'all can see. And excuse me if I got makeup on my pants. So yeah, let's see. I'm trying to cut out this tag. I don't want to pull it. Okay, I'm gonna go prep my hair, put on my stocking cap, and come back with y'all. Okay, I put on my stocking cap, as y'all can see. I'm gonna go in with some Tresemme Extra Hold Hairspray, level 4. I like using this, it doesn't flake. It doesn't flake on me. It has extremely great hold, and it like I said, it doesn't flake and leave a white residue on your wig. So stand up for this. This great reveal. Grab her. I am gonna have to, like I said, as you can see, this hair is very soft, like extremely soft. Like maybe if you had like a natural blowout, but extremely soft. Extremely. Feels so good. This hair feels so good. Okay, I'm gonna go and cut this lace so I can put it on. Hold on just a second. Okay, I'm about to put her on. Ooh, hoo, 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 hoo. I didn't put any makeup on my lace. Oh my goodness, she's so soft, so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. As you can tell, you know, you need to go in. You're gonna have to go in with some makeup or lace tint. But me, I would probably just use my Fit Me powder, your foundation. Oh my gosh, this is, I haven't even done anything. I'm not even gonna brush her because I don't want to mess up with the curls. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And it's so soft. She's so freaking soft. Like, let me go in with just a little bit so y'all can see a little better, so it doesn't have that white cast on it. This is just my makeup brush that I use for my foundation. And if you really wanted to, if you wasn't gonna like wear her up, just wear her down, she could totally be glueless as well. Oh my goodness, look how soft. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. So beautiful. So soft. The baby hairs, I'm not gonna trim those either. I like them looking like a little, you know, little flyaway like that, like a little bang in my face. So I'm gonna leave them just how they are. Like I said, I'm not gonna do any more alterations to it, like, you know, tinting the lace or anything like that, because I am want to save that to preserve the wig too, and I'm actually going to wear it. As you can see, she's pretty long. Comes all the way down to my waist. I'm 5'6". So I'm trying to get y'all like at a good angle where y'all can really see her. Like, of course, you also could take your concealer and go down this part of her, but you don't even have, baby, you don't even have to do all of that. Like, oh, she's so soft. These curls are bouncing and behaving. Bouncing and behaving. Like, I am obsessed. I think I'm going to have to get a second one of these as well. Like, oh my gosh, what are they doing to me? Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful! I don't even have to say nothing. If you are not convinced just off this alone, Honey, please. Honey, please. Honey, please. But a lace, unit 16, baby. Yes. Yes. Okay. Blend it very well. Like I said, ear to ear lace with the wide 5-inch deep hand tie parting area. She is already pre-plucked with baby hairs. I did nothing to this wig, as y'all can see from this video. Nothing. I cut the lace. I put down, I put on my wig cap. I sprayed a little hairspray on there in case I was trying to, well, just to keep this part down a little bit. But you could totally go glueless with this. I believe you could. Did nothing to this wig. Okay? Nothing. This is out the pack. Cut the lace off on my head. We out the door. We out the door. Cause la 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 la.